In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic product mockup like this in Photoshop, step by step. In this document, we have 3 layers: background layer, product layer, and the shadow layer. First, let's duplicate the product layer by pressing Ctrl+J and rename it as product. Fill this layer with any color and then convert it into a smart object. Next, double-click on the smart object layer. Here, you can place your product image. Adjust the size. And use Alt+click between the layers to create a clipping mask. Once you're done, just save the file, and your main mockup will automatically update. Now, let's move on and add some shadows and highlights to make the mockup look more realistic. First, duplicate the product layer again and rename it as shadow. Move it up the product layer and change the blending mode to linear burn. For more realistic shadow, let's lower the opacity slightly so it blends naturally with the background. Next, double-click on the layer to open the Layer Style panel. Hold the Alt key and drag the slider. This will split it into 2 parts, creating a smooth transition between the light and dark areas. It helps the shadow blend more naturally with the product and background. For highlights, create a Curves Adjustment layer and change its blending mode to Screen. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Now grab the brush tool. Adjust the size. Softness and opacity. And gently paint over the areas where you want to add highlights. It completely depends on you where you want to add the highlights. Every mockup and product has different lighting points. So take a moment to analyze the light direction and gently paint the highlights in the right areas to make the product look more natural and realistic. Let's check the before and after. You can really see the difference. Now our product mockup now looks clean, natural, and completely professional. In this lesson, we learned how to create a realistic product mockup using smart objects, shadows, and highlights in Photoshop. We also explored how blending modes and the Blend If feature help to achieve a smooth and natural result. This technique allows you to easily replace the product image at any time while maintaining the same lighting and shadow effects. It's a flexible and efficient workflow that can be used for packaging designs, branding presentations, or client mockups.